so good.
Do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. Pop it, scheming, do it. Hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem.
Hey guys, hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelly. If you are new to the channel, hey, what's good? Please do make sure that you subscribe and join the family if you're a returning subscriber. Welcome back home. I am making this video. I just finished shooting the previous vlog yesterday. I haven't even done editing it. So please, before you watch this one, watch that one. And you will see from the previous video that yesterday I was having such a shitty day. But today is a new day. It's a Friday. It's the 5th of September and it's my friend's birthday. It's Tendo's birthday. Happy birthday, Tendo. I love you so much. I hope you're gonna have a beautiful, beautiful day. And I'm so honored and I'm so happy to be spending the day with you, your special day with you. You are an amazing person. You deserve everything good that is happening in your life, that is coming, and that you're an overall good person. God, continue showering him with blessings. Anyway, we are going out for lunch with Tendo, with the birthday boy. Yeah, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit when we leave or when we get there. I think we're going to Bolivia. I've actually never been to because there's a new restaurant type of thing that's open there. I have been to Bolivia when I was in high school, but today I'm going again. I'm holding this big bag because inside, and when I'm wearing this wig, so I need to have this. I need to have a tripod, and my outfit. This is to carry all the other things that I need. I miss them so much. If you know me, you know that these are my favorite shades. So yeah, I've been talking for 2 minutes. I don't like that. Anyway, let's leave. I will see when Tendo gets here. Oh, let me change my phone cover.
So good.
I think it's business. I mean, brand.
Yo. Stand up board or whatever.
Hey guys, I just came back from collecting this. Yo, I need to sort that mess out. Shit. Today's a Monday. After Friday we had a time, baby. Friday we had a good time. I really hope that I'm gonna be able to include most of the footage from Friday. Saturday I was studying because I thought I was writing today. Saturday and Sunday I've just been studying, only to find out that I'm not writing. But there's absolutely nothing wrong with studying. But this is, I said there's gonna say, anyway, this is a PR package from Takealot. See that? Yeah. The package looks smaller compared to what they said they're gonna send, but right. Alright. So you get this bag. Very cute. At least I have, looks like a makeup bag, toiletry bag type of thing. You know what's crazy? I actually wanted to get these now. Last month I wanted to try out Takealot. But every time I go to ShopRite or Clicks and I see the price, I'm like, oh no, not today, not today. So this is a sign. If it works, we got a cloth. Is it a face cloth? Yeah. Ooh, the quality is good. Yeah, that's that. I'll see you guys. I'm not vlogging. I just wanted to show. We'll talk, guys. Hi, guys. Can you guess what is in here? I got another wig, another SHEIN synthetic wig. So this is gonna be my second wig. Oop, 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 oop. We now have 2 wigs. I think I'm ready to invest in a good quality wig. So please plug me. Where do you guys buy your wigs? Like a human hair wig? Or if you sell wigs, show yourself. I want to get a wig, but I don't want to get it off of SHEIN because no, I want to support. So yeah, my real first wig, I'm gonna get it like from someone who sells good quality wigs, not from SHEIN. So what I love about synthetic wigs is the fact that, number one, as someone who knew nothing, now I know something. As someone who knew nothing about wigs, synthetics are the cheapest way to learn. I literally bought this for $250. The other one I bought it for like $190. I can learn how to customize a wig, how to install, how to style. I now know how to take care of a synthetic wig. So also I want to experiment with different colors, different styles. I want to see how a bob is gonna look like on me, curls, and then when I like it, I can then get the real one. Makes sense. Like now I know that brown looks good on me. Now I can invest in a proper wig. So today we have this ish. I'll put the picture of it here. I will even the link in the description now. Ooh. Ooh. It is so thick. Like I can already tell that I'm about to cut so much. You better cut your synthetic wigs. Don't just take this whole thing and put it in your head. That's why people are saying synthetic wigs tangle. Anyway. You see, this one is not straight. It's, I don't know if it's wavy or what. I still don't know a lot about wigs, né? So, it has baby hairs. Like it's the baby hair. What about? It looks pre-plugged, but I think I'm still gonna plug it. Plug it. You need to plug your hair so that it does not look like a helmet. Ah! You are a liar. You are a freaking liar. This is horses. So this is the lace. Hi boys, this is a HD lace. You can't tell me otherwise. Can you see the lace? No, guys, do you see that? Don't judge me, ne? Ooh, I like this one. It has a adjustable band. It also has these ones. So I want to check bra. Okay. Oh, this you can also wear as a synthetic, man. But I like this because I have a very small head. Like, don't look at my forehead. I have a big forehead, ne? So this always comes in handy. That one, it doesn't have this. Hence, every time I'm wearing it, but you can't see it because Sana, I've become a pro at this. Okay, this is what we are working with. Is it a 28-inch? Well, I don't know because now it's, but the density, because I think it's 200% density, and yep. I really hope that it doesn't lose the curls because I can't care and I don't even have a straightener or a killing what. What do you guys think? 250 yummy. This wig is 700, I think, but I used this code and I got it for 250. So use a code. What's that? What's up, gangsta? Yeah. I will see you guys. I was studying before I got a call to come and collect my order. Let me continue studying because tomorrow I'm writing. Look at that. I think my tripod is missing. I've been looking for it, so vlog because I'm expecting another package. I know. So okay, bye. If you imagine, this is actually planned, like going out with I went to sleep 5:30 a.m. because I was cross-nighting, I was studying. I went to sleep. I had a quiz today at 9, at 10. But the quiz was there until 10:15. Tell me why. I got kicked out while I was writing. Hey guys, just don't mind, like, yeah. I am leaving for campus now. So I'm going to practice, cheer practice. I haven't been there. I don't know if I can still. But anyway. And tomorrow there's a performance. I'm not sure, Sana. But I'll see. If my body still allows. Because I was on leave, Papa. I was on sick leave. Smell good, feel good. It's about to be. And I have an assignment that I'm not done typing, and I have to submit today by 4 p.m. So I'm taking my laptop with me. If we do knock off late, I'm gonna be in so much trouble because nothing scares me like taking my laptop with me. Like if something happens to my baby, I will lose it. I'm gonna meet up with Kinele first before I go to campus.